In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in Microsoft Word on mobile. If you have a Microsoft Word document on your Android phone and want to remove an unwanted page, you can do this directly from the Word mobile app. This can be useful when your document contains an extra blank page or a page with content that you no longer need. First, open Microsoft Word on your mobile device and open the document that contains the page you want to delete. Once the document is open, go to the page that you want to remove. You can scroll through the document until you find the unwanted page. If the page contains text or other content, select the content on that page. You can tap and hold on the text, then adjust the selection until the content you want to remove is selected. Once the content is selected, use the Delete or Backspace option on your keyboard to remove it. Continue removing the content until the page is empty. If the page is blank but still appears in your document, place the cursor at the beginning or end of the empty page. Then use the Backspace or Delete key to remove the extra space or paragraph that is creating the page. When you remove the extra content or empty paragraph, the unwanted page should disappear, and the remaining pages will move together automatically. If you are deleting a page that contains several paragraphs, make sure you select all of the content that belongs to that page before deleting it. This helps you avoid removing content that you want to keep. You can use the same method whenever you need to remove an unwanted page from a Word document on your Android phone. Whether the page contains text or is simply an extra blank page, removing the content or extra spacing can make the document cleaner and more organized. After deleting the page, scroll through the document again and check that the remaining content is arranged correctly. If you accidentally remove something that you wanted to keep, you can use the Undo option to reverse the change. So, if you have an unwanted page in Microsoft Word on your Android device, simply open the document, select and remove the content or extra spacing that is creating the page, and check the document afterward. And that's how you can delete pages in Microsoft Word on mobile and remove unwanted pages from your Android documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,